Right now, in this video, I'm going to show you the number one way that you can speed up your modeling inside of moi.3D. That secret is called hotkeys. When you use hotkeys, you're pressing one key on your keyboard, and that key is linked to a tool, and it runs it automatically. To access and assign hotkeys, go to the bottom right of moi.3D and find the Options button. Click on it, and here we go. I'm going to leave this on the screen so that it's easy to replicate. If you see any of these that you would like to use, feel free to grab them. I will also include them in a link in the description. How do these work? Well, you have two columns, key and command. The key is the hotkey that you're going to assign to your keyboard. The command is telling moi which operation to run. So under key, I have assigned the letter B to the command Boolean Merge. So now, when I want to Boolean merge two objects, I just have to press B, and it's done. Any command existing inside of moi, you can assign by simply typing the name of the command inside the second column. It's that simple. Now, you can also assign scripts. That is a topic all of its own, so we'll cover that in another video. On this hotkey list, notice mine is very simple. I don't have 500 commands that I'm trying to memorize. I'm showing you the most essential commands for all of your modeling needs. This is going to get you there, and it's going to get you there quickly. The reason why moi.3D is the first program that I'm offering as tutorials on this channel is because it's so simple. Simple to learn, but also simple to use. It's one button and it's done. You're on to the next thing. Why is this great? It's not just the incremental time saving. You know, a few seconds here, a few seconds there, which, by the way, adds up over the hours of modeling. Think about it. When using hotkeys, you're staying focused on the content that you are creating. That is huge, both in terms of time saving, but also focus.